Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best custom diamond painting is probably one of the most unique and personalized gifts you can create, transforming your cherished memories into dazzling, sparkling masterpieces. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect photo, choosing the right diamond painting kit, and mastering the techniques to create a truly stunning piece of art that you'll treasure for years to come, showcasing your creativity and personal touch. Number 5. 5D Custom Diamond Art. Unleash your creativity with our 5D Diamond Painting Kit. Customize it with your favorite photo and transform it into a stunning piece of art. Personalizing it is simple. Just upload your picture, select your size, and let us handle the rest. We can create a diamond painting from any image. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This makes a memorable present for any occasion. Show your love and appreciation with a personalized touch. The kit includes everything you need to get started: canvas, resin beads, tray, pen, and glue. It's a fun and relaxing DIY project. We use high-definition printing for vibrant colors and a flawless canvas. It's designed for a complete, beautiful diamond painting experience. While we take great care, there's a small chance of missing stones. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll help you out. What we like? It boasts high-definition printing and a full brick canvas, ensuring a stunning visual effect. This makes it an ideal gift for any occasion, showing your loved ones you care with a personalized touch. If you're looking for a high-quality, visually impressive custom diamond painting, this is the one for you. What people say. It's amazing to work on a diamond painting that is from my own photo of my son's motorcycle. The diamond painting completed project looks incredible. It looks just like the actual photo I sent in, only with the diamond effect. I have purchased all my DIY custom diamond art kits from this company. They all turn out very nice. The canvas is sticky enough that there are no issues with the drill sticking. My third diamond painting from this seller, and all three turned out very good. This latest one had very good detail. Number 4. 5D Diamond Art Painting. Unleash your creativity with our 5D Diamond Art Painting Kit. It's easy to personalize with your own photos. Simply upload your image and let us transform it into a dazzling diamond artwork. Personalize it. Upload any picture, pets, landscapes, loved ones, anything you want. The bigger the image, the more stunning the result will be. Complex images look best in larger sizes. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This is it. It's perfect for any occasion, showing your love and care in a truly special way. A personalized touch makes it extra meaningful. Our kit includes everything you'll need: canvas, resin beads, tray, pen, and glue. Keep your work area clean for best results. A low-temperature iron can help remove any dirt that might affect the adhesive. We use high-definition printing to ensure a vibrant, flawless image. Our technology creates a full-coverage diamond painting, with no blank spaces. It's designed for a beautiful, finished product. While we take great care in creating each kit, there's always a small chance of a missing stone. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to help. What we like? It features high-definition printing and a full brick canvas, resulting in a vibrant and detailed final product. It's a thoughtful and unique gift that shows you put extra care into choosing something special. If you value superior image quality and a flawless canvas, this is your best bet. What people say. It's amazing to work on a diamond painting that is from my own photo of my son's motorcycle. The diamond painting completed project looks incredible. It looks just like the actual photo I sent in, only with the diamond effect. I have purchased all my DIY custom diamond art kits from this company. They all turn out very nice. The canvas is sticky enough that there are no issues with the drill sticking. My third diamond painting from this seller, and all three turned out very good. This latest one had very good detail. Number 3. Vanilla Cinnamon Diamond Painting Kit. We are committed to providing you with the best and fastest service. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, no matter the size of your diamond painting kit. Our professional design team optimizes every image for vibrant, detailed diamond paintings. It ensures your creation is bright and full of color. It comes with all the necessary craft supplies. You'll receive a full drill kit, meaning no blank spaces, and a premium diamond painting pen. It's perfect for any occasion and for everyone. Create personalized masterpieces for birthdays, weddings, or just for fun. Enjoy some relaxing DIY time. It's the perfect new hobby. Combining the best elements of cross-stitch, rhinestones, and paint by numbers, it's fun for kids and adults alike. What we like. This option stands out with its professional photo enhancement and full drill coverage, guaranteeing a brilliant, detailed result. It also includes premium supplies for a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. If you prioritize a polished final product and a high-quality crafting kit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to follow instructions and the picture turned out spot on. The picture quality is great, definitely good value for your money. Very easy to use and they send lots of extra diamond in case you lose any. The color is very vibrant. Most of the letters were bold and crisp. The end result was beautiful. Number 2. EGUEGU Custom Diamond Art. It starts with our expert design team. They meticulously review and enhance your photo, ensuring vibrant colors and stunning detail in your personalized diamond art. We're committed to perfection. While it's handmade, if there are any issues with missing gems or other problems, we'll send a replacement right away. Looking for a unique and heartfelt gift? This is it. It's also a beautiful way to add a personal touch to your home decor. Creating your own diamond art is a rewarding experience. It's a fun way to relax, boost your confidence and connect with loved ones. The kit includes everything you'll need: high-quality canvas, resin beads, tools, and glue. Just unleash your creativity. What we like. With a professional design team ensuring color correction and a commitment to reliable service, you can trust the quality of this custom diamond painting. It makes a unique and thoughtful gift, perfect for expressing your affection. If you want a beautifully crafted piece with excellent customer support, choose this one. What people say. Excellent quality and absolutely love the outcome of the paintings. Looking at the painting once in a frame and when hung on a wall from a distance, it looks like a regular film portrait. It was perfect. Just what I wanted. It turned out perfect. Size was great. Picture quality was spot on. The photo I submitted looks just like the diamond art I received. Color was slightly darker, but that was the only difference. I was so satisfied with my order that I just placed another order. The dots are square and seem to fill in the pattern better than the round ones. I ordered the 12 by 16 and they're perfect for hanging on the wall. Number 1. Custom Diamond Art Painting Kits. Transform your cherished photos into stunning diamond art paintings. It's the perfect personalized gift for any occasion. Simply upload your favorite photo and let us create a unique diamond art kit for you. Birthdays, anniversaries, it's perfect for any celebration. For best results, please provide a clear, high-resolution photo with the subject close to the camera. This ensures a beautiful final product. It's made with high-quality cotton canvas and odorless glue, ensuring your creation will last a lifetime. The 5D diamonds are made of high-quality resin. Each kit includes everything you need: canvas, color-coded rhinestones, brushes, wax pads, and a sorting tray. Everything is ready for you to start creating. While we take great care in creating each kit, minor issues can sometimes occur. If you experience any problems, we're here to help you. What we like. This kit uses high-quality materials and includes everything you need for a successful project. The excellent customer service ensures a smooth process from start to finish. If you value convenience, quality materials, and peace of mind, this is the option for you. What people say. This is the 60 by 80 centimeters and I chose that size to get the most detail. The colors were really spot on for this kind of art. The design was printed exactly like the picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.